All right, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. And this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and it says Tree of Life in laser. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. So this one, I like this one because it's got the Zippo logo etched in there. This one is a green matte finish on a brass case, and it was made in F of 18. I think that's July. Steel insert. Fires up nice. That is the Tree of Life. And if you look real hard, you can see a little druid behind that tree. So let's see if we can do a lit drop test on this one. See if we can hit the target. So the Tree of Life passes the drop test pretty easily. It's a nice one and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.